Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 8th. Dear students, we will discuss today the second planet, that is Venus. Venus is also called Shukra in Hindi. It is the second planet from the Sun. Except the Sun and the Moon, it outshines all heavenly bodies and hence is the brightest and hottest planet. So dear students, this Venus is called as the brightest planet of the solar system. It is the hottest planet because it is near to the Sun after Earth, after this Mercury. It appears as an evening star just above the western horizon of 292 days. After this, it appears as a morning star for another 290 days in the eastern horizon. So, dear students, it appears as the evening star in the western horizon for about 290 days, and it appears as a morning star for next 290 days in the eastern horizon. So, in spite of the fact Venus is the second in distance from the Sun as compared to Mercury, it is brightest because of its cloudy atmosphere of carbon dioxide. So, here what we see, there is a bright carbon dioxide cloudy atmosphere is there. There is no water, so life is not possible on the Venus planet. This cover reflects more than 3/4 of bright sunlight falling on the surface. Because the sunlight falling on its surface, it reflects that very part of the sunlight. That is why it is the brightest planet in the solar system. And the mass of Venus is 0.8 times the mass of Earth. It means its mass is more than the mass of Earth. However, its size is almost similar to that of Earth. It revolves around the Sun in 2 to 5 days and rotates around its axis in 43 days. So it rotates around the Sun in 225 days and it rotates its own axis in 243 days. Thus, in this way, Venus keeps the same fact towards the Sun. On account of this rotation and revolution, the temperature on its day side rises to 150 degree and below night temperature is 170 degree. So during the daytime the temperature is 150 degrees Celsius and during the night time it is below 170 degree Celsius. So the most interesting feature of the Venus is that it rotates from east to west about its axis, whereas all other planets rotate from west to east about its axis. So dear students, this planet rotates from east to west and all other planets rotate from west to east. So this is the most interesting and exceptional feature. It has thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide is found in it. It has no water. There is no water on the surface, so no life is possible on account on this, because it is day side temperature is too high and night side temperature is too low. Life is not possible because here day temperature is very high and night temperature is very low. It has no water to sustain life and it has no oxygen in its atmosphere to sustain life. So the life is not possible on the Venus due to the fact that it has no water and it has no oxygen, and its day temperature is very high and night temperature is very cold. That is why life is not possible on the planet Venus. So dear students, you may remember about the Venus, that Venus is the second planet close to Sun. It is the brightest planet, it is the hottest planet, it reflects the light from the Sun. That is why it is called as the brightest planet of the Earth, and it rotates around the Sun in 225 days. It rotates about its own axis in 243 days. It rotates on its axis from west to east, from east to west, while as other planets move from west to east. And there is a thick layer of atmosphere which consists of only carbon dioxide. There is no oxygen, hence no life is possible. There is no water, hence no life is possible. Their day temperature is very high and night temperature is very cold. That is why the life is not possible on this planet. Dear students, stay connected. We will discuss another planet in another video. Allah bless you all. Thank you.